Replacing nouns with pronouns. A pro in pronouns. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of nouns and pronouns. Specifically, we'll be focusing on how to replace nouns with pronouns. This is an essential skill in English, and mastering it can significantly improve your fluency. Let's get started. Before we begin replacing nouns with pronouns, let's remind ourselves what these terms mean. A noun refers to a person, place, thing, or idea. A pronoun, on the other hand, is a word that takes the place of a noun. Examples of pronouns include he, she, it, they, and we. When replacing a noun with a pronoun, it's crucial to use the correct one. Remember, the pronoun should agree with the noun it's replacing in number, singular or plural, and gender, masculine, feminine, or neutral. For example, if the noun is dog, singular, neutral, the correct pronoun would be it. If the noun is girls, plural, feminine, we would use they. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice. Here are a few sentences and their rewritten versions with pronouns. 1. John is eating. John is happy. Can become he is eating. He is happy. 2. The dogs are barking. The dogs are outside. Can become they are barking. They are outside. Notice how the sentences become smoother and less repetitive when we replace the nouns with pronouns. It's time for you to practice. Here are a few sentences for you to rewrite using pronouns. 1. The teacher is speaking. The teacher is in the classroom. 2. Alice and Bob are studying. Alice and Bob want to pass the exam. 3. The book is interesting. The book is on the table. Try rewriting these on your own, and check your answers in the next video. We've now come to the end of our lesson on replacing nouns with pronouns. I hope this has been a helpful and informative lesson. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering these grammar points. So, keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro in pronouns. Until next time, happy learning!